Hello and welcome to a very special episode of Mystery Tech, now featuring Roboraptor's bigger brother. So as you can see, this episode of Mystery Tech is a little different. It is the holiday extravaganza. We decorated just for this video. The fireplace is a little unnecessary, but you know. So unlike usual Mystery Tech where Ken wastes all the money, instead everyone in the office got a single pick. So let me guess, who would have gotten Roboraptor 2.0? Matt, did you pick this item?
No.
Ken, did you pick this item?
No.
Josh, did Josh pick this item?
No.
Did Wes?
No.
Man! Jimmy picked it.
Yeah.
How much was it?
$250.
We already had one Roboraptor. Then we got Roboraptor's weird cousin. Now we have Megaraptor, which is whoa! Okay, it just came alive. Can you hear this? Easy. Oh. Okay, okay. This one's like scary. Like Roboraptor's like a friendly dinosaur. He's like ha ha. And this one's just like blinking at you and like looks like it's about to like do that. Yeah, that's a good idea. No. X-Base Supersonic 4-band radio and cassette player. Well, this doesn't look very good. Wait, hang on. Now that I've said that, who chose the 4-band radio and cassette player? Matt.
Nope.
Damn. Wes.
Nope.
Josh?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, thanks, Josh. This is really hard. I have no idea who has what. Oh, I have the Logic cassette. Oh, yes! All right. Josh has got me on this one. That's a good call. It's a very good call. So not only does this have a cassette player with a 4-band radio, but we also have USB input and an SD card slot. 500 watts? I don't think that's accurate. You know what? It smells like 1985. Man, I haven't seen an antenna like this in a long time. I remember my dad used to yell at me because I would do this with my radio. And he's like, oh, you're gonna break it. You have to bring it in like from the side, otherwise you're putting too much pressure on it. I feel old.
¿Lo enseñan en su casa? Ah, bravo, bebé. Bueno, pero aquí fáltame el respeto, ¿ok? Piérdeme el respeto.
Damn, man. We've been walking forever.
That actually sounds surprisingly good.
You want to take a guess at how much this was?
This, $60.
$35.
$35? Yo, actually, I mean, it's not like the greatest tape player in the world or the greatest radio, but considering how it looks retro, it feels retro, it doesn't sound that bad, $35, this actually might be one of the better deals on Mystery Tech. Wow, I feel so loved. Wait, actually, Josh didn't even waste money. Okay, so this is a mysterious box. Who got shoes? Heelys! Oh, okay, all right. This is Matt.
Oh.
I'm never gonna get this right. I'm just gonna guess you every time. Is this Wes?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Second try. I'll be real, I've never owned a pair of Heelys in my life. So I should probably lace these up, but it's fine, right? Whoa. So you can walk normally, all right, but if I want, I can be like, whoa, wait a minute. How do you do it? Wait, I need the instruction. How to heel. Find the balance point. Find a rail, counter, or friend you can hold on to in order to keep your balance. Ugh. This is hard. How do you Heely? Matt, help. Help, Matt. Oh, no. I'm trusting you. It's been a long, fun ride. Had a lot of great Mystery Tech episodes. But I see the Festivus poll and I don't have the strength to continue. A Pokeball speaker? Is that Pokemon? I'm going to guess that the person who picked this is Ken.
No.
This is out of all the things that you got, this is the one. I'm assuming this was not all that expensive.
$30.
All right, $30 Bluetooth speaker, I can get behind that.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. Destiny. Oh, you're my best friend. In a world we must
Wait, am I making a TikTok right now?
our hearts so true.
What? Hold on a second. Is this the original Pokédex? Yo, I used to have one of these. Wait, is this your choice? This is still sealed too, I just realized. Oh, I can't open this. $150 on eBay right now? It's okay, I never listen to mom. All right, here we go. The Pokédex. This thing is 20 years old. I'm old. Do you think these 20-year-old batteries are gonna work? No way, right? What? What? 20-year-old batteries work? Are you serious? Who did we look up? Staryu. Error. Oh, you have to type it in exactly? Was this like a spelling tool as well? Hey, look, it's a Staryu. It's 2 foot 7 inches, 76 pounds. Wow, that's really dense. It knows tackle. Water gun. If you're a Pokemon master in the field, you have to be a little patient. Here's the test. What happens when I try to put in Mew? Error! Error! This is factually incorrect! Professor Oak, get on it, man! What are you doing? You don't even know the first 151 Pokemon! How are you ever supposed to keep up with the Poke Rap, huh?
Gotta catch 'em all.